The HeartHero Elliot AED is an automated external defibrillator designed to help rescuers respond quickly and clearly to sudden cardiac arrest. Its purpose is to analyze the casualty's heart rhythm and, if needed, deliver a shock to help restore shockable rhythm. Like other AEDs, it's designed to guide the rescuer through the process using clear prompts, helping people take action in a high-pressure emergency. In sudden cardiac arrests, every second matters. The priority is to get the AED on the patient quickly, place the pads, and follow the prompts to achieve the best possible outcome. On the unit, there are several key controls and features that users should understand before the emergency happens. The first is the green power button, which turns the device on instantly, and it also turns on when you pull the red handle to access the electrode pads. These pads are removed from the liner and then placed on the casualty as directed by the device and the pad diagrams. The Elliot AED also includes a Bluetooth feature that allows it to connect to the HeartHero app for updates and additional information. A blinking Bluetooth indicator means the device is ready to pair, while a solid indicator means it's connected. Another important feature is the child button. This adjusts the shock and guidance for children weighing under 25 kilograms. Child mode selection should be made after entering the treatment mode and before placing the pads. This is an important feature for environments where both adults and children may need to be treated. The unit also includes a language button, which allows the rescuer to switch guidance between two preset languages. The device resets to the primary language after each use. This can be particularly useful in workplaces or public settings or training environments where more than one language may be needed. There is also an information button which allows the user to quickly check the device's readiness before use. Readiness details can also be viewed in the HeartHero app, helping organizations and owners confirm that the AED is ready for deployment if needed. Overall, the Elliot AED is designed to combine straightforward emergency use with modern connected features. For training purposes, it's important that users become familiar with the location of the controls, the purpose of each button, and the general operating sequence before they ever need to use the unit in a real emergency. In a sudden cardiac arrest, confidence and speed matter, and familiarity with the device can help reduce hesitation when every second counts.